This recording will show you how to set up your blog site using WordPress.com. First, click on WordPress.com to go to the blog site. You need to click Get Started to get signed in to start your site. We are going to continue with Google. So we are going to choose our domain name, and since this is going to be published on the web, we want to respect some privacy, so do not use your full name. You do need to use just your first name. So you are going to type in your name. You can see you have several choices, but we are going to choose this one where it's your name with a big long number at WordPress.com because it is free, not just free for the first year. It is free. So we are going to select that. And since we are choosing the free option, we are going to go right up here. These are all paid. We're not paying. We are going to start with a free site. So now we are going to be working through our site setup, and you can see we're starting with give your site a name. We've already confirmed our email address, so you're going to click on name your site. And again, we want to use only our first name, so it lets us know that it's going to update the site title with the field and the descriptive name. So we're just going to put our site title as our first name. And then, of course, we want to save. All of these options should already be correct for you. And you're going to keep following those directions to build your site. So then you need to click on Return to My Home. So you can see the next thing we need to do is update the home. So we've created the basics, and now it's time to update the images and the text to make a great first impression. Everything you do can be changed later, so don't stress. So you're going to click Edit Homepage. And we have our little pop-up window. Welcome to WordPress. Continue on this short tour to learn the fundamentals of the WordPress editor. I'm going to go ahead and do the tour with you. So everything is a block. In the WordPress editor, paragraphs, images, and videos are all blocks. You can see in the picture, it's showing us that everything is a block. Adding a new block. So you're going to click the plus sign to open the inserter, then click the block you want to add. So you can see our plus sign is right up there, and that is where we will go to add a new block. And those blocks, you can see, have different items. We can do paragraphs and other items to add. Click a block to change it. Use the toolbar to change the appearance of the selected block. You can try making it bold. And we've got more options is our setting menu. So look way over to the right, up in the corner for your settings. So if you want to undo a mistake, it does have an undo button. So you can click the undo button. Control Z is also a general keyboard shortcut that you can use on your keyboard. But here is your undo and redo buttons right up here. So you can drag and drop things to move them around. Notice how it's demonstrating how to drag it and drop it. So you can move those blocks wherever you want them to appear. And now it says, congratulations, you've learned the basic. Remember, your site is private until you decide to launch. View the block editing Docs. Okay, so you will need to launch your site before you turn in your assignment today, because if you don't launch that site, I won't be able to see it. So when you get ready to turn in your website, you will need to launch it and then copy the address after you have launched it. Okay? So let's go ahead and exit our tour. And we know that this is our home page for our blogs. So we need to make sure we replace, just like on our last website assignment, all the bits of information that are written here that you yourself didn't write. All right, so that includes, so I'm going to use what we learned about replacing all of my stuff. So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to say, welcome to my blog site. Oops. And I'm going to make sure that I click everywhere I need to do to get rid of stuff. And you can see here, latest from the blog. This is an introductory post. This is the example. So we are actually going to replace the introductory post. And blogs are almost always dated. And I think this will, whoops. So, always fun. I have lost my internet connection. So I'm going to stop this tutorial and I will post a second one for you to continue with.